Have you ever noticed how sometimes an update feels more like a facelift than a true change? Well, Apple wants iPhone users to feel something very different with iOS 26. This time, the company isn't just tweaking icons or shuffling menus. It's introducing a whole new design language called Liquid Glass, and step by step, it's spreading across the iPhone experience. The latest apps to join the party are TestFlight and Apple Support. Now, let's rewind for a second. iOS 26 launched back in September alongside the iPhone 17 series, and the big headline wasn't just about performance. It was about looks. Apple wanted iPhones to feel modern, polished, and a little futuristic. That's where Liquid Glass came in. Imagine layered panes of glass stacked with a glowing effect, rounded corners everywhere, floating buttons, and a sense of depth that makes your phone feel alive. That's the core of this new style. But here's the twist. Not every app got the makeover on day one. While the main system apps like Messages and Safari quickly showed off the Liquid Glass glow, others lagged behind and looked a bit out of place. Slowly but surely, Apple has been updating them, and now TestFlight and Apple Support finally shimmer with the same new identity. So, what exactly changed? Let's start with TestFlight. If you're not familiar, TestFlight is the app developers use to let regular users test beta versions of apps before they hit the App Store. It's like getting a backstage pass to future features. With this update, the TestFlight icon itself has been cleaned up. The propeller design looks sleeker and better suited to the layered glass theme. Inside the app, you'll notice translucent navigation bars, rounded buttons, and the floating design elements that have become Liquid Glass trademarks. But the update isn't just cosmetic. Apple also brought accessibility improvements. Features like VoiceOver, voice control, and larger text now run more smoothly inside TestFlight, which means the app is easier to use for more people. And here's something new: tester matching. This feature recommends beta apps you might be interested in based on your usage patterns. For people who love experimenting with early software, it's a neat addition. The Apple Support app also joined the redesign. This is the tool millions of people rely on whenever their iPhone, iPad, or Mac needs troubleshooting or repairs. Before, it looked pretty plain. Now it has the same floating navigation, translucent glass-style background, and refreshed icons. It's a small change, but it makes the app feel like it truly belongs in iOS 26 rather than being left behind. But this isn't really about just apps. The bigger picture is that Apple is building consistency. When iOS 26 first rolled out, many users pointed out that the experience felt incomplete. Some apps looked futuristic, while others still carried the older, flat look.